What would happen if the Earth stopped spinning for just 1 minute? Scientists around the world have often wondered, what if the Earth suddenly stopped rotating, even for a single minute? The results of this thought experiment are so terrifying that they almost seem apocalyptic. The Earth's rotation keeps our days, nights, weather, and natural balance in perfect harmony. But if this rotation stopped, even for just 1 minute, the consequences would be beyond imagination. Hear the incredible speed of Earth's rotation. The Earth spins on its axis at an astonishing 1670 km per hour, around 1037 mph, at the equator, faster than the speed of sound. We don't feel it because everything around us, the air, oceans, and even our bodies, are moving with the same speed. Tornado 1. The first effect: everything would fly off the surface. If the Earth suddenly stopped, everything not firmly attached to bedrock, people, buildings, trees, oceans, vehicles, would continue moving forward at 1670 km per hour. It would be like a speeding bus slamming on the brakes, but multiplied 1,000 times. Massive destruction would sweep across the planet as entire cities and landscapes are ripped apart by unstoppable inertia. Wave 2. The second effect: oceans would create mega tsunamis. The oceans would not stop with the Earth. They would surge forward, creating mega tsunamis thousands of meters high. Entire coastlines, islands, and continents would be flooded within seconds. These waves would wipe out almost everything in their path. No city or civilization could survive them. Wind Phase 3. The third effect: supersonic winds. The air around the planet also rotates with the Earth. If the planet stopped suddenly, the atmosphere would continue to move at its original speed, around 1700 km per hour. This would cause supersonic winds stronger than any hurricane or tornado ever recorded, tearing apart everything above ground. Sun 4. The fourth effect: the sun would seem to freeze. For that 1 minute, the sun would appear completely still in the sky. It would neither rise nor set. Day and night would freeze in time. Once the Earth began rotating again, the timing of days and nights would shift slightly, disturbing the delicate balance of seasons and temperatures across the globe. Compass 5. The fifth effect: the Earth's core and crust would collide in chaos. Beneath the surface, the Earth's molten core would continue spinning even if the crust stopped. This would cause massive friction, triggering violent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions around the planet. The sky would darken with volcanic ash, and breathable air would become scarce. High voltage 6. The sixth effect: the magnetic field would collapse. The Earth's rotation helps generate its magnetic field, which protects us from the sun's harmful radiation. If the planet stopped spinning, this field would weaken or collapse, allowing deadly solar radiation to reach the surface, endangering all life. Skull 1 minute. But an apocalypse, even though it's just 1 minute, the destruction would be catastrophic. Mountains would crumble, oceans would overflow, and cities would vanish. The Earth would never look the same again. It would be a world of chaos and silence. Globe the reality. Fortunately, scientists agree that such an event is nearly impossible. No external force exists powerful enough to suddenly stop the Earth's rotation. Even if it slowed down gradually, the effects would unfold over centuries, but life as we know it would still be drastically altered. Sparkles the final thought: if the Earth stopped spinning, even for 1 minute, it would mean the end of life as we know it. It reminds us just how fragile the balance of our planet truly is. A single change in nature's rhythm could turn our beautiful Earth into a place of total destruction.